Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to make an animated Discord server icon. So if you want to have an animated Discord server icon, so you need two boosts. So basically this is the server boost right here. So you need level 1 boost, which is 2 boost from Discord actual user. So my server currently has 1 boost, but if you have a 2 boost on your Discord server, here as you can see level 1 perks, there is an animated server icon, just like so. So, but for this, I'm gonna show you the process on how to do it. So, um, even if you don't have the level 1 boost yet, or if you're planning to, I'm gonna show you the process on how to do it. Just click on escape. Now, what you'd want to do next is go to Canva and search for animated logo, just like so. And once that's loaded up, you can just get to pick any of these logos here. Let's say I want this one, so I just click on customize the template. So if it customizes, and maybe I'll just head to Chevy, just like so. There, and once I'm good with that, I'm just gonna click on share, download. So could paste it as GIF. Now click on download. So wait for it to download. Now once the download is good, just exit out of Canva. Go back to Discord just like so. Go to server settings. Click on change icon. And there will be a pop-up on your folder, and pick the GIF that you downloaded. As you can see, it has now changed. So of course this will not be animated since my server is not yet boosted, but if your server is boosted, this will automatically get animated and stuff. So just click on save changes and you're good to go. And that's it guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps more people. See you in the next one.